Imagine this. You're gazing up at the night sky, stars twinkling like diamonds on a velvet canvas, everything serene and eternal. But what if, in an instant, every satellite orbiting our planet exploded in a catastrophic chain reaction? Could humanity survive without them, or would our modern world grind to a halt? It's a terrifying thought, isn't it, one that tugs at your deepest fears about how fragile our connected lives really are? Here's the bold truth. We're already teetering on the edge of this nightmare scenario, and it's called the Kessler syndrome. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll uncover the hidden ways satellites silently power your everyday life, the shocking risks lurking in space right now, and the rare insights from experts on how we might avert total disaster. Knowledge that could change how you see the world forever. Let's dive deeper into this cosmic catastrophe waiting to happen. Back in 1978, two brilliant NASA scientists, Donald Kessler and Burton Cour-Palais, dropped a bombshell paper that predicted the unthinkable: collisions between satellites and other orbiting objects around Earth. Picture this: thousands of man-made marvels zipping through space at mind-boggling speeds. When they smash into each other, they don't just dent. They shatter into countless fragments of debris. And here's where it gets really scary. That debris doesn't vanish. It multiplies like a virus. As more junk accumulates and we keep launching new spacecraft, the odds of more crashes skyrocket. Eventually, this snowball effect could make space so cluttered that future missions become impossible. This doomsday chain reaction? It's officially known as the Kessler syndrome, named after one of those visionary scientists. Now you might be thinking, is this just sci-fi hype? Not at all. Some experts warn that the Kessler syndrome has already kicked off, though it's unfolding slowly, like a ticking time bomb over decades. Space is getting crowded fast, folks. Launching rockets or maintaining satellites in orbit? It's turning into a high-stakes game of dodgeball, but with multi-million-dollar equipment at risk. To skirt the debris fields, satellites have to constantly tweak their paths, burning through extra fuel or demanding tougher, pricier builds. And if things spiral out of control? Well, imagine the costs skyrocketing so high that we have no choice but to hit pause on space launches entirely, or at the very least, sweat bullets over every single one. The fallout wouldn't just stall our dreams of exploring the stars. It would ripple down to reshape life right here on solid ground in ways you might never have imagined. Think about it, satellites aren't just fancy tech floating up there for show. They're the unsung heroes woven into the fabric of our daily existence, and you probably don't even notice them until they're gone. Take those equipped with high-tech cameras, snapping detailed photos of our planet from above. These images aren't just pretty postcards. They're lifesavers. Farmers rely on them to optimize crop growth, spotting soil issues or water needs before it's too late, ensuring our food supplies stay steady. Engineers use them to monitor subtle shifts in the ground, keeping roads, bridges, and buildings safe from collapse. And when it comes to weather and natural disasters, satellites give us the edge in tracking storms, predicting floods, or spotting wildfires early. Without them, we'd be flying blind, food shortages could spike, infrastructure might crumble faster, and bracing for hurricanes or earthquakes would turn into a deadly guessing game, putting countless lives at risk. But that's just the start. Let's talk transportation, because satellites are the invisible backbone keeping us moving. When's the last time you unfolded a crinkly old paper map to find your way? Yeah, thought so. Global Navigation Satellite Systems, or GNSS, like GPSs, track everything from airplanes soaring through the skies to trains rumbling across continents and ships navigating vast oceans. They prevent collisions, optimize routes, and ensure safe arrivals. Strip that away, and we'd revert to outdated methods: ground-based radars, compasses, or even celestial navigation. Chaos would ensue: flights grounded, shipping delayed, trains halted until backups kick in. And it's not just positioning. Planes and vessels depend on satellites for instant communication and live weather feeds, dodging turbulence or rogue waves in real time. Lose that lifeline, and travel as we know it could become a relic of the past. The ripple effects don't stop there. Consider the folks in remote corners of the world: isolated villages, Arctic outposts, or deep-sea expeditions. They lean on satellite phones and internet to stay connected, call for help in emergencies, or even conduct business. Then there are entire industries hanging by this orbital thread: energy companies drilling on offshore oil rigs, utility workers maintaining power lines in the wilderness. They all need reliable satellite links to operate safely and efficiently. Right now, believe it or not, over 9,000 active satellites are whirling around Earth, beaming down critical data that keeps our global machine humming. From banking transactions zipping across continents to emergency services coordinating rescues, these silent guardians make it all possible. The good news? We're not doomed yet. An army of dedicated scientists and engineers is on the case, innovating ways to clean up space junk, design smarter satellites that can deorbit themselves at life's end, and craft international rules to prevent this mess from worsening. It's a race against time, but their work is what keeps us safe down here, preserving the tech that underpins our world. So if you didn't catch it all, satellites aren't optional luxuries. They're essential threads in the tapestry of modern life, from feeding us to guiding us home. What about you? Does this spark any burning questions? Drop them in the comments below. Your idea could inspire our next deep dive. Craving more mind-bending explorations like this? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications. Check out these videos right here for even more fascinating what-ifs, or let YouTube surprise you with something tailored just for you. As always, I'm Blocko, and this has been Life Noggin. Keep on thinking, keep on wondering, and I'll see you in the next one.